All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test of the microphones on the Buds Pro truly wireless headphones from CMF. So, what we're going to do today in today's video is we're going to test out the microphones of the CMF Buds Pro in two different scenarios. So the first scenario is going to be the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then in the background, I have some crowd noise pulled up on YouTube on my TV, and we're going to use that crowd noise to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment. All right? So that's what we're going to test out in today's video. So that being said, the first portion of this video is what I would like to call a simulated noisy or noise-free environment. My mistake. So this is what the buds sound like and the onboard microphones sound like in an ideal noise-free or close to noise-free environment. Okay. Now, the crowd noise that we're about to test is set to 18% volume on my TV. That's just for reference. Now I'm just going to push play. I'm going to let the crowd noise play for a couple seconds, and then I'm going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence. And this way, you guys and gals will see and hear how the microphones perform in a simulated, crowdy, or noisy environment. So let's go ahead and push play now. Okay, I'm gonna let this go for a little bit. Okay, that should be good. So now I'm just gonna talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and this will give you guys and gals an idea of how the microphones do at isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. So this is an example of how the microphones on the CMF Buds Pro perform in a simulated crowdy or noisy environment. Okay, that should do it for that test. Let's pause now. Okay, and that, guys and gals, should do it for this microphone test video. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know and see how I have everything set up. So I'm going to throw some B-roll up and post in the video right now, and then I'm going to tell y'all how I have everything set up. So all I did was connect the earbuds to my Samsung Galaxy S10e, okay? And then all I did after that was verify that they were connected, okay, as you can see in the B-roll. And then I jumped into the Samsung stock camera application. Then I went over to Video Pro mode. And all I did was switch the audio input from Omni audio or wired audio to Bluetooth audio. All right. After that, all I did was spin the cameras around and push record and start recording today's video. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.